What is up, crew? I am back with another reaction. This time we have Nightmare Files. 10 disturbing doorbell camera clips uploaded March 28th, 2020. Now this is different aside from the horror stories that he usually does. But the thumbnail looked creepy as hell. So we're gonna get up in this. So y'all already know all the important links will be down in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Ooh! See, that was the thumbnail. Nah, he'll have to get shot. Nah, I didn't like that.
The owner of this home had no idea that this creepy old woman with a knife in her hand was at his door in the middle of the night until he woke up the next morning. Some people say that she's possessed. I say she's senile. She was very reluctant to ring the doorbell. If she did, the owner would have woken up. What do you think would have happened?
She might have tried something. And as soon as she would have rang that doorbell, and I seen her with the knife in her hand, she would have got the business. I don't think I would have shot her, especially being an old lady, but you got to get hit upside your head with a metallic baseball bat, though. Bink! Ugh! Like, you gon' get it. What would y'all do? You wake up at an odd hour of the night, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, to an old lady with a knife who's suffering, who's, senile, suffering from Alzheimer's, dementia, something. And she's got a knife as soon as you open the door. What would y'all do? Let me know down below. I'm curious.
In this video, looks like an abduction of a woman at gunpoint in Richmond Hill, Ontario. The man steps out of the car carrying what looks like a handgun, threatening to kill the woman before putting her in the car.
You think you'll get in the car? I think I'm gonna die. Charlie! I'm gonna kill you. You wanna leave?
Damn, that did look like an abduction. Why it gotta happen in my front yard, though? Get kidnapped around the corner. I'm bullshit. That was a bad joke.
These owners of a Ring doorbell camera saw a motion detection video in which a person walks by, but the upper body seems to be transparent. If you pay attention, you will see that the upper body is never seen beyond the right side of the tree, but footsteps are still heard.
Yeah, the audio and the video both link up, so that's real.
As this woman is frantically ringing the doorbell, she's actually trying to get away from her boyfriend, Victor Kuchik. In the background, you can hear him say that he would get the gun from the car.
Stop, please, no. No, 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 please.
I don't like shit like that. Men who abuse women, man, you a whole bitch in my book. But I'm not gonna get started.
In this video, it happened to be a day that was not Halloween. The owner of the house says that she thought it was UPS because it was 8 p.m. So she ignored the door. To her surprise, the package was not there. She checked her camera and found a character from the movie Trick or Treat just standing at her door. What do you think would have happened if she would have opened that door?
Oh, you gonna get closer. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Yeah, that's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail. Did he ring the doorbell? Oh, hell no. He would have... I'm sorry. He would have had to get shot. I would have been in my Medea mode. I would have to split his wig and his toupee. Nah, bruh. I ain't going for that. Dude, it's so fucking... I've never seen that movie Trick or Treat, but that was so fucking disturbing. That's probably going to be the scariest one of this list. Possibly.
In November of 2019, in the Los Angeles neighborhood, people were shocked to hear a woman screaming, "Somebody help me, please," and a man responding with, "Sorry." The people in the neighborhood were frightened due to the nature of her screams. This lady was a victim of an attempted kidnapping.
I didn't hear a guy say sorry, but I hope motherfuckers called the police or something instead of just gazing or listening to it.
This video simply just shows a creepy woman going to a house saying random things. Maybe she was on drugs, drunk, but it could be anything.
Or both.
You never know who you run into. Let me know what you think she says in the comment section.
Mom. 20. Okay.
I can't understand what she's saying.
On January 1st, 2020, Darnell Rogers got into a dispute with his then girlfriend over money. They both left their 4-week-old baby in the car. Darnell chased her as she ran for help. He claims he did not remember the incident the next morning.
Damn, why he gotta be black? And I think she white. Come on, man, you fucking up. No, but no. Throw his ass all up under the jail. Fuck him. He a bitch. What's with these dudes that hit on women but won't hit a man? This shit kills me.
In May of 2019, Gerald Haywood was visiting his friend Rodney Copeland. As you see, it seems like a normal day until Gerald gets bit by a snake on his eyelid. Following the incident,
How the fuck did
he
that?
was taken to the hospital and one of the neighbors killed the snake that was wrapped around the porch lamp. Rodney claims that he thought Gerald was playing a prank when he ran in the house. Gerald suffered only minor injuries.
How the fuck did he get bit in the face by a snake? Ooh. snake move fast as hell? A reptile or animal without legs or arms or anything? No other appendages besides a tail move that fast? God damn. It sounded like it was just a garter snake though. They're not poisonous.
Here you can see the chilling moments when a mother in Fort Worth, Texas is trying to rescue her 8-year-old daughter from what looks like a kidnapper's car. You can hear the pain in her voice as she calls for help. The man in the car, Michael Webb, approached the two while they were walking down the street. He was caught the next day.
Good.
Then, less than 12 hours later, the big break. 2 church members heeding law enforcement's call for help on social media, spotting the vehicle in the parking lot of this hotel.
These guys are our heroes. You know, we're here in police uniform with badges and guns, and everybody calls us heroes. And now we have 2 citizens that went out of our way.
Heroes indeed. Authorities arrived at that hotel about 10 miles southeast of Fort Worth, busting down the door of the room where they say the suspect was holding Salem. He's now in custody facing aggravated kidnapping charges. Police say Salem is in good condition.
Like I said, number 5 was the scariest one.
Nightmare Files.
That was crazy though. I like how he did a different video from like his usual. I respect that, and it was still good as hell. But long story short, man, I'm not gonna teeter on this for too long. Cause I got food in the oven. But I will always hit a man faster than I'll hit a woman. I was raised never to hit women. I will never hit a woman unless she was trying to kill my ass. And that's it. Other than that, you will never even hear me talking about hitting a woman. Me and my female friends, we may play, or me and my girlfriend, we may play about that, but I would never be serious about that. I cannot respect no man who puts his hands on women, but won't put it on another man. Before I get started, let me end the video. Good ass video. Shout out to Nightmare Files, man. Keep it coming, man. I fucks with you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you leave a like, a comment, share the video, join the TBS crew. That is all I got for y'all this time around. Until next time, I am out.